Here you have it, live, True World TV, underground, and you know so we there, Superfly, one of the biggest partners in airtime, and this is 4.0, and you know we know the building. So yo, just go and tune in, live, coloring book.
Ladies and gentlemen, this here's another one for the steppers. DJ Wayne Williams, put the record on.
Here you have it, live, World TV, for the people, and only for the people, and we're here with no other than what's up, bro? Bro, I know somebody there, bro, and I'm just setting it. The party name Superfly, of course we're looking Superfly, that's all.
Tell me, now what do you do when a feeling has come over you? You let go, and what? Let it take control.
Here you have it, live, True World TV, for the people and only for the people. And you know we're there with no other than
remember, you know, one puppy that, you know, upcoming young artist, I don't know, it's a producer also, the Jamaican movie.
Here you have it, live, True World TV, for the people, and only for the people. And we're there with a young upcoming artist, Father First Class. What's up, my brother?
But they are not too well, you don't know what they are going easy, you know.
Well, first thing we just want to tell us, yo, G, watch out, man. The jacket that we have on, yo, it's crazy, man, you see me?
Yeah, man, respect, man.
You have anybody where you want big up, you know, you have nobody where you want big up your channel or your friend them, you see me?
Alright. Next thing, big up Bad Goat TV, that's a vlog channel. Big up Popular, big up Davidan, big up Coloring Book Bar, same way, True World TV. Big up the actors them, they always have support me. Big up the other actors them, big up everybody we at the movie. And big up the fans them out here, you see me? Yeah man, we there doing work for them. Big up my mother here. Big up, yo, I don't want to say too much, but big up people, everybody big up.
Just want to tell us, yo, respect for the interview and just enjoy yourself. You know, I'm a Superfly, you see me? One Coloring Book, True World TV, for the people, and
only for the people.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. So the DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Yeah man, someone there now. And listen people, we have to understand that I want to extra super special, because I guess we're there with a veteran. We're there a person who believe in a, you know what I mean, the whole aspect of humanity, you know what I mean, father figure, you know what I mean. We're there with this man himself, Mr. Coloring Book. How you doing, sir? What you doing? Yeah, my father, man. Only for respect, man. One Coloring Book, man. Yeah. You know, one Coloring Book for the people and only for the people. Yeah. And it's an honor, it's a privilege. To be here. To be here tonight, that's me. Yeah, man. Superfly 4.0. I'm there with one of my general. So, Mama, what's up?
There, man, for the Superfly side, you did. Got the back push out.
Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out, yeah. Your pussy fat.
Here we have it, live, True World TV, for the people, and only for the people. And we're there with one of the general, one of the biggest promoters right now in our Westmoreland, Father Styler. Big up yourself, my brother, man. Only for respect, my father, man. First thing first, we know it's a Superfly, one of the events, one of the biggest events over the years. I guess a 4.0, right, General?
Yeah, man, this is a 4. Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to keep up your time.
Yeah, man.
But I really look forward to your next interview. Big up yourself. I like the event.
Big up everybody who have come up tonight. And you guys going to have a good time.
They have nobody where you want to big up.
Well, you know, Superfly, I think, you know.
Superfly, I think.
Yeah, man, I pick up style every time.
Some of them I did not have.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. So the DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's time.